This lesson introduces a new note value that is even shorter than the half and whole note, namely the quarter note. The length of a quarter note equals the basic downbeat, which means we can play 4 quarter notes in the same time span as a whole note. Pluck the E string on every downbeat, and remember to tap your foot on every downbeat too. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next song, we are mixing quarter notes and half notes over a playback of drums and bass. The half notes are played on the first and third downbeats, and the quarter notes on every downbeat, as we just learned.